we going?
We're gonna see the airplane.
Yeah, we're going to. Can you say Selfridge Air Base?
Selfridge Air Base.
Selfridge Air Base.
Selfridge
We're gonna look at some military planes. They're gonna do some cool stunts in the air, and it's gonna be really loud. It's gonna be pretty cool, huh? Right? You guys excited?
Yeah, I got.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Let me hear it. Let me hear your excitement.
Yeah.
What about you, Amelia?
Yeah.
That is kind of mediocre. Okay, we'll see you guys when we get there.
We got locks, we got the panel put up down here. And then we got another panel put up there in the lower station. Logistics, and we're going to do side by side.
Is there seats?
Airdrop or wider pallets. We got 11 pallets down the end. That go
Look at their seats.
Oh yeah, wasn't we supposed to buy one last time?
Yeah.
Got old dog out here. You on camera? Old dog, you look like you about to join the military.
The air show actually start?
It started at 10.
Yeah, it's over in the corner. What do you feel when you're
Excuse me.
you still working out by us?
I just got back this week. Friday I went back. I got sent
We got the Canadians in the house. Captain Robert here live from the cockpit of Hornet 100. Royal Canadian Air Force is putting on a birthday bash this year. And
air base right now.
On behalf of the entire CFA demonstration team, I'm Tango. Let's dance.
Let's watch now as Tango lights the afterburners and demonstrates the awesome power of the CF-18 Hornet with the takeoff dirty roll.
You got pissed off or whatever, and then fired too, so you went back there and he threw up the fire. So how long were you up there? Are you filming all this? Oh.
Yeah, we're about to go check everything out. Look at this one right here.
You see that all day long at your house?
Oh, nosedive, look at that.